Hello folks, it's Glenn the Ball Chef, and today we're going to put together something pretty special. I had a friend of mine take me down to a restaurant called Passion Fish in Reston, Virginia, and I ordered this dish called Lobster Thai Red Curry, and it was pretty darn good. I think I could do a better version of it. They claimed that it was actually the top dish in the metropolitan area of DC, top 25 dish, and one of the top 50 dishes in the United States. So this is a pretty special deal. Let's get this thing going and make this top 50 a reality. All right, we're gonna start out cooking out 2 1 1/4 pound fresh live lobsters. Boil them for 10 minutes. That's what they say to do. That's what we've done. We're gonna spider these guys out here. He's gotta grab this little monster. Got him on the hook. Now I got my lobsters. Got my little helper friend there doing it. And now we're gonna make up the base of our sauce. Oh my God, this is gonna be good, folks. This is some just Thai red curry paste. We can go to the trouble to make our own, and we put in about 3 tablespoons right into the blender with a little bit of that liqueur from boiling lobsters. And then we're going to add some special ingredients that will really kick this thing up to, I don't know, something crazy. Start out with some ginger, 2 pieces. Go with the Peking peppers. I went with 7. This is going to be spicy. Peking peppers, as you may know, are pretty spicy, so you may want to cut this down. And of course, about 5 cloves of garlic will do. Now, put the top on this bad boy and get it on there. Can I get it on there? Yeah, I got it on there. Alright, so we're grinding this thing up, blending it all up. We're going to have some magic here in a minute. I guarantee you that. This thing's going fast and furious. Now, the lobster part. You got to get the meat out of the shells. Never been that great with a knife, but I'll get this job done. Crack that shell open and pull out that delicious, sweet lobster meat. Oh my gosh, this stuff is just bordering on spectacular. Lobster is probably unquestionably my favorite thing to eat. So this dish has got to be good, at least for me. And if you want to give it a try, and try a recipe that is claimed to be the top 50 recipes in the United States, something you might want to take advantage of. But, you know, it's all someone's opinion, and I just know that I like lobster, and I spent a lot of time in Thailand, know a little bit about the cuisine. I took Passion Fish's recipe to, I believe, another level. Man, this guy's really having problems cracking these. Grab this lobster open. Oh, what do we got there? Oh, not that. No. Don't ever want to put all that cartridge in there at all. That's not good. So, this is enough footage of me cutting up lobster. Okay, there's some cartilage in that claw. We want to get out of there. But anyway, we got all that meat cut up. I'm pretty much done with showing you how to do this. I'm sure you can figure this out on your own. I'm obviously having some issues here, but that's okay. Now that we got our lobster, we're going to just kind of hand pick it out and get it into bite-sized morsels that will really bring this dish up to the next level with the appropriate sized pieces of lobster. And then to kick this up, unlike the original recipe that I tasted, I went with some Thai basil. How can you go wrong with that? I mean, come on. Who doesn't like a little bit of basil in their Thai food? It always adds a little bit of aromatics to it. And I'm a big fan of the basil. So, taking some hot oil, we've taken our ginger and curry paste and garlic and Peking peppers, and put it in a little bit of oil. We're going to cook this off and infuse those flavors. get this thing looking real nice. Stir it around, let everything get all fried up. And I'm telling you what, the smells here, wow. It's actually spicy. This may be too many picky news. Now we go into the 3 crab fish sauce. I'm gonna put a little bit of that in there. Give it a little salt. Nothing wrong with that. I always go with 3 crab. Best stuff on the market. If you like fish sauce. I couldn't get fish sauce, or at least the taste of it, for a minute when I was a young kid, or a young man, I should say. Now we stir this around, and we're going to go to the next step, which is to take our hand-picked lobster meat and throw it into that beautiful red curry sauce and let that lobster soak up that sauce. You could only smell what's going on. Now, a half a tin of coconut cream. Bring this sauce up. We're going to cook it for a minute. Let all these flavors infuse. I'm on the brink of a masterpiece here, I believe. We're going to serve it on some jasmine rice. It'll be real nice. But before I do that, I threw in some Thai basil, which, like I said, will truly add to the aromatics. And if you don't like this recipe, I don't know what to say. There's crazy stuff going on here in this world, but this is some good stuff. Gosh, folks, top 50 in the U.S., top 25 in the Washington metropolitan area. This is the lobster with the red curry Thai style recipe. Got this on some rice. Take it to the tasting table. Let's give this stuff a shot and see if it's as good as what I tried at a restaurant. Wow, a lot of spice going on in there. Maybe a little Kefir lime leaf would have kicked this up to the next notch. Other than that, I give this a full 5-star. Folks, I certainly appreciate you stopping by. Thanks for all the new subscribers out there. You guys have a safe 4th, and as always, bon appetit.